Hey folks, Chef Kazi here. Today is the 19th of April, Sunday, and I'm at my work because today we had an Instagram photo shoot. So those camera guys and everybody, they did in kitchen, now they're doing it outside. They'll come back again. So look what is the menu today. So you see the seafood platter for two. This is the live lobster. It's 2.5 pounds. Still alive. Steak and tails. Plus I have some crab legs is here. This is the 1 pound of crab legs. Is a 6 to 9 size. $99 per pound. So let me show you, I have a little time now to play around. So let me show you how I put my lobster to fall in sleep. This 2.5 pounds lobster, okay? So all you have to do, this is a mind game, watch. It's falling, right? But watch again. You see this thing, my finger here, and here is the eyes, okay? Are you following me? Watch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look, did you see? It's not moving anymore. I'm not holding it. Here, it's my 2 hand is open here, look. That lobster is sleeping now. You can wake the lobster now. Wake up, buddy. Here. Wake her up. So I'm going to broil it this one, okay? Ready?
Let's take away this one. And I think there's something there too. Let's try to. Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's it done. Okay, now, like this.